The future of the Iraqi dinar, a turning point in global finance. Welcome back to IQD to VND. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so. We're on track to reach 200 subscribers in just 10 days. Today, we're addressing a topic that has been stirring up conversations. The claim that former President Trump and Senator J.D. Vance have allegedly pressured Iraqi Prime Minister Mohammed Shia al-Sudani to resign. If this turns out to be true, it could have significant political and financial implications. But rather than focusing on speculation, let's examine what truly matters: the evolving relationship between Iraq and the United States, and its impact on Iraq's currency and economy. There's no denying that the dynamics between Washington and Baghdad play a crucial role in determining Iraq's financial future. One of the biggest factors in this equation is the potential revaluation, RV, of the Iraqi dinar. This isn't just a theory. It's a major financial transformation that may be unfolding right before our eyes. The financial landscape in Iraq's economy has been under scrutiny by various financial institutions, with warnings about its stability, the expansion of the parallel banking system, and the growing shadow economy. However, the most pressing concern right now is the U.S. decision to halt cash shipments of dollars to Iraq. This move has led many to speculate. Will this force Iraq to finally reevaluate the Iraqi dinar? How will this decision affect Iraq's financial system? Could it lead to an official revaluation of the dinar's exchange rate? Rather than seeing this as a crisis, it should be viewed as an opportunity for Iraq to reclaim control over its currency. Let's dive into the details. Why the U.S. halted dollar cash shipments to Iraq? For years, the U.S. dollar has played a dominant role in Iraq's economy. Many of Iraq's private and government transactions rely on dollars. However, by stopping dollar shipments, the U.S. is indirectly pushing Iraq toward monetary reform. Without a steady supply of dollars, Iraq faces several economic challenges. 1. Higher prices. Goods and services may become more expensive. 2. Costlier imports. Iraq depends heavily on imports, which could become more costly. 3. Strained businesses. Companies that rely on dollar transactions may struggle. In response, the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, must take urgent steps to stabilize the economy and boost confidence in the Iraqi dinar, IQD. The case for an Iraqi dinar revaluation, IRV. The Iraqi dinar has been pegged to the US dollar at a relatively low value. Currently, one Iraqi dinar is worth much less than 1 cent. Many economists believe the CBI could soon take major steps to increase the dinar's value. One way to do this is through an in-country revaluation, RIV. What is a currency revaluation? RV. A currency revaluation occurs when a country's central bank adjusts the official exchange rate of its currency, making it stronger against foreign currencies. For Iraq, this could mean increasing the dinar's value closer to 1 USD per IQD. While this might sound drastic, such a move could transform Iraq's economy by making imports cheaper, easing the cost of goods for everyday Iraqis, increasing purchasing power, allowing consumers to buy more with the same amount of money, reducing dependence on the US dollar, giving Iraq greater economic sovereignty. How would the CBI implement an RV? For this to succeed, Iraq's government and the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, must take several key steps. 1. Build foreign currency reserves. A strong foreign reserve would stabilize the dinar and boost investor confidence. 2. Implement economic reforms. Iraq must attract foreign investment by improving trade policies and supporting local businesses. 3. Strengthen public trust in the dinar. Iraqis must have faith in their currency for it to thrive. How would an RV impact Iraq's economy? A successful revaluation could have profound effects. 1. Consumers. A stronger dinar would mean lower inflation and increased purchasing power. Everyday items, food, fuel, electronics, would become more affordable. 2. Investors. A revalued dinar could attract foreign investors looking for stable markets. If confidence in Iraq's economy grows, it could become a regional investment hub. 3. International trade. If Iraq shifts to a more independent monetary system, it could begin conducting trade in multiple currencies rather than relying on the US dollar. What if the Iraqi dinar surpasses the US dollar? While unlikely in the short term, a stronger dinar could eventually outperform the US dollar. If this happens, Iraq would gain a stronger position in global finance, attracting more trade and investment. However, such a shift requires gradual changes to prevent economic shocks. The CBI would need to implement policies that support long-term stability rather than short-term gains. The role of the Iraqi government. The Iraqi government plays a crucial role in supporting the CBI's initiatives. To encourage economic stability, Iraq must encourage entrepreneurship by reducing barriers for small businesses, invest in infrastructure to attract global businesses, implement policies that foster job creation and economic growth. Public perception is also critical. If Iraqis trust their currency, they will be more likely to invest and save in dinars, reducing the need for US dollars. The global impact, a shift to an international currency basket. A groundbreaking development could be the introduction of an international currency basket for Iraq. Instead of relying solely on the US dollar, Iraq could begin trading using a mix of global currencies. What is an international currency basket? This system involves using multiple currencies for trade and valuation, rather than depending on a single dominant currency, such as the dollar. Benefits of a currency basket for Iraq. 1. Stability. Less reliance on the US dollar means reduced exposure to dollar fluctuations. 2. More trade opportunities. Iraq could trade more freely with countries that prefer alternative currencies. 3. Less volatility. Businesses would experience fewer disruptions due to currency fluctuations. This system would also reduce the need for currency auctions, allowing the dinar's value to be more directly controlled by market forces. Final thoughts. The road ahead for Iraq and the dinar. The steps Iraq is taking now could reshape its financial future. Moving away from US dollar dependence, implementing an RV, and adopting an international currency basket are all key factors in strengthening the Iraqi dinar. While the process won't happen overnight, Iraq has the potential to become a major financial player in the global economy. The question is, will the Iraqi government and the CBI take the necessary steps to make this vision a reality? Your thoughts? What do you think about the U.S. stopping dollar shipments to Iraq? Do you believe the dinar will rise against the dollar? Let's discuss in the comments. If you found this article informative, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe for more updates on finance, global economics, and Iraq's future. Thanks for reading. I look forward to hearing your thoughts.